Hi everybody. I have started a new channel. My channel name is Analytics Expert. Actually, I'm a trainer of analytics, data science, and MIS. So I want to let you know which types of course I provide. You can see here I provide course for MIS, advanced MIS, automation, analytics, business intelligence, and data science. And this is my contact number. You can connect to me in case you want to continue your course. So today I'm going to teach you basic code of VBA. Okay, so let's start how we can start the VBA code basic part. Okay, so first you have to go to developer tab. In case developer tab is not activate here, then you have to go to file, option, go to customize ribbon, and here you have to check. Okay, in case this is not checked, you have to check, then automatically developer tab will show here. Okay, so going to start code window, go to developer tab, click on Visual Basic. You have to go to modules. Here I have written lots of code. You can see here. I will let you know from start. So before going to write any code, any VBA macro code, you have to write here sub. Sub means subroutine. Then you can write the macro name. Macro name is I'm going to cover here back basic part. So you have to write here basic. Anything you can write as per your convenient. But always write the macro name logically. Suppose I am covering here basic part. That's why I have written here basic. In single word I can know what I am going to cover in this macro. Okay, so here first thing what I have to do, I want to know how we can activate any of the seat as per our convenient. So you have to write here, first I'm going to put here heading activate seat. This is the heading. In case I am putting here single quote, that means this is a not quote. This is not code. This is a heading. Now I'm going to activate any of the seat. You can see here, suppose you have lots of seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, and interview seat. I want to activate interview seat. How we can activate the interview seat? You have to write here seats. You have to pass here interview. This is a name of the seat, and dot select, or you can write activate. Instead of select, you can write here activate also. Okay, so what is this? Seats is a name of the object. Whatever first word you are writing, you that's a object. And whatever in multiple seats means we have multiple seats. In multiple seats, you want to activate interview seat. This is a specific seat name which you want to activate. So that's why I have written as a parameter interview seat is passed. This is a parameter of object. This is a name of the object. This is a parameter of the object. In multiple seats, you are going to activate interview seats. That's why I have written here interview. Then dot, and this is a select is a properties. Okay, so whenever you want to run this macro, then what you have to do, you have to press F8. In case F8 is not working, then you have to press function F8 to run the code step by step. I'm going to run this. You can see here now seat 1 is activated. After running this code, you will get it activated. Interview seat will be activated. Run this code. You can see here interview seat is activated now. You can another you can write another line of code to activate the seat. You have to write same code, but instead of select, you can write activate. Okay. In case you want to activate seat 1, then you have to pass here seat 1. First, it will activate interview seat, then it will activate seat 1. Okay, done. This is for today's video. Tomorrow I will cover next video.